Hey everyone, Becca here with Basics by Becca. So sponsored posts are a great way to earn money with your blog. Not only do they provide you with an additional income stream, but they also help you to promote your blog and build your audience. However, getting sponsored posts can be tricky, especially if you're just starting out. So in this video, I'll share some tips on how to get sponsored for your blog and the exact steps I've used myself. So, number one is to find the right brands. The first step is to find brands who are a good fit for your blog. This means finding brands who share your values and who would be interested in promoting their products or their services to your audience. Number two is research. So, when it comes to research, there are different ways to go about it. And some tips I have is to go look up different blogs within your niche and see who they might be working with. Now, that means that these brands are open to collaborating and are open to sponsorships. I also like to go onto Instagram and type in certain hashtags such as sponsored to see influencers who are working with brands and finding brands that might share my values as well. You can also look up different directories on Google. For example, if you have a sustainable living blog, you can go into Google and type sustainable brands directory. This will give you a list of brands that you can potentially reach out to. So, number three is reaching out. So, when reaching out to potential sponsors, it's important to provide value. And this means showing them how sponsoring your blog can benefit their business. You want to make it about them. And for example, you could share statistics about your blog's reach or discuss ways in which you could promote their products or services on your blog. By providing value, you can increase the chances of getting sponsored posts. So, the last tip I have for you today is to negotiate terms. So, once you've found a sponsor who is interested in working with you, it's time to negotiate the terms of the sponsorship. So, this includes deciding on the price of the sponsorship as well as the length of the campaign and any other details that need to be ironed out. So, when negotiating terms, be sure to be honest about your blog's reach and what you're willing to do for the brand. By being upfront about your expectations, you can avoid any misunderstandings down the road. Make sure you have a media kit in place to send to them because they might ask for it and they're going to want to see some of those statistics as well. So that's all that I have for you today. I hope that you found these tips helpful. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe below. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.